Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use this AI feature on Dreamina. So if you go at home, you can also explore for like AI prompts that people have used. And for instance, you can't use your own AI prompt. For instance, you want something similar to this one or this one even, just try to like find one according to your liking. There's so many options here that you can choose from. So I'm just going to choose this one and I'm going to select use prompt. And then here they'll show you like what they typed. Then you're going to upload in your image. Just going to place it to the left side here a little bit so I can find the picture. I'm going to select what's your reference. For instance, this one's a human face. You can detect object. I don't know about this one, in depth, and even the pose. I'm just going to select human face for this one. I don't know if you can select more than two. I'm just going to select human face. Aspect ratio, 3:4. Save, and you can also select what you want the picture ratio to be. I'll just select the 3:4. Then I'll select generate. I kind of did generate this before just to see. You only have a few credits to use and it expires in a day, so make sure you generate everything in a day. But I'll just show you. Here is the final result. You'll see the face is similar, but it looks like it's a photo shoot, I guess. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!